Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys 3 ways you can use apple cider vinegar to get rid of acne, pimples, and all forms of hyperpigmentations. Yes, and this is the apple cider vinegar we are going to be using. We are going to be using this one by Bragg. Yes, Bragg apple cider vinegar. You can use any apple cider vinegar. Anyone you have, you can make use of it. Okay, guys? So without much talk, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, if you're having pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentations, all you have to do is to get your apple cider vinegar. For the first method, we are going to be using, I just bought this one. So for the first method, take small amounts of apple cider vinegar. Just take small amounts of it. Go ahead and get your cotton board. Dip the cotton board into the apple cider vinegar. Then go ahead and place it anywhere you have dark spots. Use the cotton board to apply the apple cider vinegar anywhere you have dark spots. Just use it to apply it anywhere you have dark spots. Okay, the reason why you have to use cotton bud to apply it anywhere you have dark spot is because the apple cider vinegar is in concentrated form. You don't want to apply it all over your face. If you do that, it can burn your face, right? If you apply it all over your face without diluting it, it can burn your face, depending on the kind of skin you have. Okay, so the best way to do this is to use cotton bud. Just dip into it, then apply it the places you have that dark spot. Okay, wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you go ahead and wash it out. All right, so that is the first method. Then the second method, all you have to do is to get a plate. In that plate, you go ahead and take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar using the bottle cover. So here I have one of it. I'll go ahead and add it into the plate like this. Add it into the plate. I'll also go ahead, this second method is dilution method. I'll also go ahead and take water with the same cup, that's the same measurement, add it into the apple cider vinegar. Then I'll use my cotton wool to dip into the apple cider vinegar, and I will use it to clean my face. You can use this method if you have a lot of black spots, pimples on your face. Okay, if they are much on your face, then you can use this method. All right, this dilution method, you can use it if you have a lot of black spots and hyperpigmentations, acne, and all that. If you have it a lot on your face, go ahead and use this dilution method. You can also use it to clean your lips. This will even help to brighten your lips and give you brighter lips in case if you have dark lips. Okay, so you go ahead and use it to clean your face. After cleaning your face, you wait for 30 to 45 minutes, and after that you wash your face and moisturize your face. Okay guys, so this is the second method. Then for the third method, all you have to do is to get your apple cider vinegar. Go ahead and measure it also. Once you get the measurement you want, you add it into a plate. Remember, the measurement you will take depends on the quantity you would like to use. For this treatment, I would advise you prepare it at once, like at a go. Prepare once at a go. Anyone you prepare, just finish using it. The next time you would try it, you prepare another one. Okay guys, so prepare it in a small quantity, right? So after adding the apple cider vinegar into the plate, the next thing you have to add is your honey. Get honey. Oh, my own is almost finished. I make use of honey every day. Then get your honey. Go ahead and add some amount of honey into it. Then after that, you mix it. After mixing, you also go ahead, use your cotton wool, go ahead and apply it on your face. Use this method if you have dry skin. Yes, if you have dry skin, please use this method, okay? For the second method, if you have dry skin, you can also use it because it's already diluted, all right? So that's it. Then use your cotton wool and apply it all over your face. After applying it all over your face, you wait for 30 to 45 minutes, then you go ahead, wash it off, apply your moisturizer. Guys, this apple cider vinegar 3 methods I've shared with you guys will help you to treat your dark spots. It will help to brighten your face. It will help to reduce pimples and acne. This method is effective, guys. Yes, try this method consistently for 1 month. Trust me, you will see results. You will begin to see your face looking fresh. For people that have sensitive skin, if you try it once and you feel a kind of irritation on your skin, please stop, okay? Stop. But if you try it for the first time and you didn't feel any kind of irritation or anything or skin burn, then you can continue, okay? But all I know is that this treatment works. It works very well. Like I said, as you're applying it on your face, also try on your lips if you have dark lips. It will help to brighten your lips, okay guys? So that is it. This is how you can use apple cider vinegar to brighten your dark spots, to achieve even skin tone, okay? So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you all in my next one. Like I said, you can use any apple cider vinegar. It must not be this one, all right? So that is it for today, guys. I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Bye.